Hi everyone, no? We will be starting na po our live. So, sa mga guests po natin na nandito inside the Zoom, so I'll be sharing the screen na po, no? So, we can start, Sir Daryl.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Kia. So, good afternoon to all our dear viewers out there. My name is Daryl, Marketing Associate at Grandison, and I'll be your host for today. So, this time, we're giving you a highlights sa mga opportunity to take para sa inyong career path. So, for today's topic, NCLEX amidst retrogression, securing your nursing future. So, sino nga yung mga nurses natin dito na mga nagda-doubt at sa mga nurses natin na mag-start pa lang ng US journey nila at naghahanap pa lang ng NCLEX Review Center. So, and also based nga sa visa bulletin, maganda yung progress despite ng retrogression. So, all right, this time to help us to dive into today's topic, our speaker and partner from NCLEX Unlimited, Professor EJ Santiago. So, Sir EJ, so have a short self-introduction lang po para makilala ka pa ng ating mga live viewers.
Hello, magpe-present na ba ako?
Short introduction lang, sir.
Okay, so I'm Professor EJ Santiago. I'm an in-house lecturer ng NCLEX Unlimited Online. So kami yung bahala sa pag-review sa NCLEX, and we're looking forward po sa bawat isa. So I think for the meantime, kasi later mas magpapakilala ako sa PowerPoint ko.
Okay, thank you very much po, Sir EJ Santiago. So now, from Grandison Nursing Davao, Grandison Nursing Recruitment Supervisor, Miss Ruth Torrente. So hello, Ma'am Ruth. Also, short self-introduction lang din po para mas makilala pa tayo ng ating mga live viewers.
Alright, so good afternoon sa ating mga live viewers kung nasan man kayo ngayon sa mundo, no? So, would like to welcome po sa ating career orientation, no, for this afternoon. We have here our NCLEX amidst retrogression on how to secure your nursing future. So, by the way, my name is Ruth Torrente and I am based from Davao po, recruitment supervisor ng Grandison Davao. So, later on, we will be discussing kung ano po ba yung sponsorship program na ino-offer ni Grandison, and at the same time, no, we will be guiding you on how to achieve your American dreams together with our partner na si NCLEX Unlimited. So stay tuned lang po mga nurses. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ma'am Ruth. Also, again, all right, thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for joining us today. So, for the meantime, magpe-play pa muna tayo ng video. Okay, Ma'am Kia.
Congratulations to our Grandison nursing staff in the Philippines for hitting this milestone.
It's been an amazing ride so far.
Started our nurse recruitment in 2021 and deployed our first nurse in 2022.
Now we've brought over more than 100 nurses to the US. This is such a big milestone for Grandison, who was originally just hiring physical therapists and occupational therapists.
Thank you to the Grandison U.S. and Philippines team.
From the marketing team, to the recruiters, to the deployment team.
Congratulations, Grandison, for making 100 dreams possible.
Cheers, Grandison Nursing, for deploying 100 Filipino registered nurse bound to the U.S.
And we're very happy to be part of that journey.
And last but not least, to our amazing nurses who are there for their patients every day with their heart and their care.
Thank you to all the nurses who chose Grandison. We're so happy that we can help you fulfill your American dream.
So here's looking forward to another 100 and another 100 and so on nurses being deployed in the United States. And just like what we always say here in Grandison, together, let's hashtag future-proof your American dream.
Avatar Virtual Academy. NCLEX Unlimited Online. Computerized Adaptive Test System. NCLEX Unlimited Online Processing. Are you looking for an effective and affordable NGN NCLEX review? Are you struggling to balance work and reviews? Look no further. Introducing NCLEX Unlimited Online Unlimited Review until you pass the original Next Gen. Next Gen NCLEX Review for Canada, USA, and Australia. Powered by mobile app technology, available on Google Play and App Store. That allows you to review unlimited 24/7s anytime and anywhere. Enjoy our unlimited live interactive review. With 5 cycles yearly unlimited review until you pass. 3,000 plus hours of video recorded classes that you can access 24/7 in case you missed the live interactive lectures. Packed with diagnostic test, one-on-one assessment, mock exam with rationalization, unlimited review until you pass. Intensive test drills, final coaching, refresher courses, unlimited review until you pass. We are the first and only mobile application developer in the Philippines. Free unlimited subscription of CATS, 6,000 plus Next Gen QBank, 3,000 plus SATA and case study, daily mock test, daily custom test with Rasho, performance tracker. We also have 5,000 plus hours of recorded videos in our library unlimited review until you pass, and 1,000 plus downloadable copies of ebooks from our library. Also, we have 1,000 plus downloadable copies of review materials from our library, plus free NCLEX exam processing assistance. For New York, NMI, Illinois, and Texas. Plus free IELTS, OET, PTE, TOEFL, TOEIC, MET, online review via mobile app. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now!
All right, now that we are all set, I'd like to remind our live viewers that you can ask your question and share your thoughts in the Zoom chat or Facebook comment section. And also, don't forget to fill out the Google form na nakapin sa Facebook comment section dahil dyan kami mag-base later para sa ating raffle. So, to start our discussion about amidst retrogression, securing your nursing future, let's welcome our speaker, Professor EJ Santiago. So, hi, Sir EJ. The floor is yours.
All right, so hello. Hi, nurses. Good afternoon, everyone, to our nurses who are here with us in our Zoom meeting right now at saka sa FB Live natin. So, kamusta po ang lahat? How is everyone? So, thank you once again, Grandison, for granting us this valuable opportunity to present our products and services. We sincerely appreciate the chance to showcase what we have to offer to our aspiring nurses. So, I understand that we have a limited time frame for just 15 minutes for this discussion, right? And I want to assure that I'll make every efforts to stay within this time frame. So let's dive into our presentation, and please feel free to interrupt, no, or ask questions as needed. All right, so let's move on, team. Okay, so ipapakilala ko lang yung company namin. So NCLEX Unlimited Online is committed to providing high quality, accessible, and flexible NCLEX preparation to aspiring nurses worldwide, ensuring that they are fully prepared to pass the NCLEX and advance their careers, regardless of challenges such as visa retrogression or geographical limitations. So ano ba yung mga target resources natin? Sino ba yung mga target resources natin? Siyempre, international and local-based nursing graduates preparing for the NCLEX. So nurses facing retrogression delays, 'di ba? So, at least they want to continue their preparation at least, no? So, working professionals seeking a flexible and unlimited review platform, yun yung mai-offer namin sa inyong lahat. So, let me just go ahead and do the right things for you and allow me to properly introduce myself. So, I'm EJ Santiago, a United States registered nurse, and I work as an in-house lecturer and trainer at NCLEX Unlimited Online, specializing primarily in the next generation NCLEX format. So I have the personal experience with the transition when the format changed, having passed my NCLEX last year, October 6, 2023, with the computer stopping at 85 questions. So this first-hand experience is an advantage as I can directly share my insights with our students. So in addition to teaching, I also conduct root cause analysis, or RCA, where students will have taken the exam. So they're going to share the concepts and even recall specific questions and choices, although note taking is prohibited during the exam, but they are trying to provide some insights regarding what they have encountered dun sa exam na yon. So, is the NCLEX difficult? No, marami nagtatanong sa akin, challenging ba ang NCLEX? Honestly, yes, it can be. So, especially for those who don't review properly, but with the right preparation, particularly through NCLEX Unlimited Online, your chances of success significantly improve. We are here to guide you through the entire NCLEX application process, okay? Help you to choose the right state board of nursing and support you until you pass the exam. Okay, so um ayun po, yung pakilala ko sa sarili ko. So ang topic natin ngayon is amidst retrogression, securing your nursing future. So kakalabas lang ng visa bulletin update natin for October 2024, right? So good news sa mga aspiring nurses natin, okay? So um ano ba yung retrogression na yan, no? So retrogression, it refers to delays or backlogs po in the processing of visa applications, specifically employment-based visas for nurses due to high demand and limited availability. So when retrogression happens po, even qualified nurses who have passed the NCLEX may face extended waiting times before they can obtain the necessary visas to work in the United States. So this situation creates uncertainty, no? Minsan nag-aalala tayo for many aspiring USRNs kasi naiinip matagal, but the message emphasizes the importance of securing your nursing future, di ba? So despite these challenges, it suggests that please gawin muna natin, no? Ipasa muna natin si NCLEX because this is the crucial step sa lahat. Okay? So as it position nurses to be ready once the retrogression issue clears. Additionally, preparing for the NCLEX and staying competitive through further education, certifications, and professional development can provide nurses with an edge ensuring that they are well prepared to seize opportunities when they arise. So, may mga tanong tayo dito. Number one, why continue to pursue their NCLEX in times of retrogression? 'Di ba? Bakit itutuloy pa natin parang ang tagal naman makaalis? Tama? So there are several reasons for nurses, no, kung bakit kailangan mong i-pursue yung NCLEX mo even during visa retrogression. Una, preparation. Okay, so it allows nurses to be prepared for when retrogression lifts. Kasi somehow malilift din yan, no? Enabling the nurses, okay, to move forward quickly when visa availability resumes. So andyan yung competitive advantage natin, 'di ba? Yung time flexibility in which the NCLEX process from application to preparation and taking the exam can take a month or even longer. So completing it during the retrogression means one less barrier when the visa becomes available. Tama? So, pangalawang tanong, process to take the NCLEX. The process to take the NCLEX, maraming steps po yan. Una, kailangan ma-meet mo yung eligibility requirements, okay? So, we need to apply to a state board of nursing. So, we're going to submit an application and documents of qualifications to the state nursing board where you want or where you intend to work. And we're going to register with Person View. So we're going to create an account with Person View. This is a organization that administers the NCLEX. And we're going also to receive your authorization to test, yung ATT na sikat, no? This is once eligibility is verified, the state board provides an ATT which is needed to schedule the NCLEX exam. So paglabas ng ATT, lahat kinakabahan na kasi malapit ka na mag-exam. So huwag ka mag-alala kasi magre-review tayong mabuti. Tama? Okay. So pangatlong tanong, how can NCLEX Unlimited help nurses with their NCLEX? So ito pong NCLEX Unlimited, we help nurses by providing a comprehensive and simplified nursing review. So structured study programs ino-offer namin. So offering a tailored study plans that suits to individual learning styles and schedules. So we have also a lots of practice tests and simulations, providing a wide array of NCLEX style questions and simulation exam to prepare nurses for the actual test. So syempre, asahan nyo kami dyan, kami mga lecturer nyo, no? Yung mga expert tutors nyo. So magkakaroon tayo ng access sa bawat isa. So we are experienced nursing educators here together with Miss Tin Parulan Andaya. So we were going to explain the difficult concepts and we will guide the students through challenging topics. Di ba? So napakaganda. And pang-apat na tanong, NCLEX Unlimited offered programs, ano-ano ba yan? So pag-usapan natin yan. So NCLEX Unlimited offers various programs that cater to different nursing backgrounds and needs. So may iba sa atin, isasabay lang sa trabaho itong ating review, no? Okay lang yan, gagawa natin ng paraan yan. Okay, so marami tayo, very, very, very flexible. Okay, so we have one-on-one tutoring. So it is a personalized tutoring services to provide targeted support in areas of weakness. Okay, may mga online courses tayo, mga live review session. Okay, depende sa availability mo. Okay, recorded din yan, so pwede mong balik-balikan. So mayroon din tayong mga practice exam, test-taking strategies, and support for retake candidates kasi meron palang yung tinatawag natin hindi sinuwerte for the meantime. Ang tawag doon delayed success lang. No, pero hindi tayo susuko. So we're going to support our retakers, no? So the programs tailored for those who have attempted the NCLEX before and need additional preparation for a successful retake. Kuha natin nurses, no? Okay, so ako, ang part ko dito, gusto ko, kilala niyo yung kakalabanin niyo. Kilala niyo ba natin si NCLEX? Ano ba yung alam natin sa NCLEX, 'di ba? Kasi ito yung exam natin. So papakilala ko sa inyo, i-introduce ko sa inyo si NCLEX, 'di ba? Si NCLEX RN or the National Council Licensure Examination for Registered Nurses is a standardized exam that nurses must pass to gain licensure as a registered nurse in the United States. No, not only in the US, sama natin ang Canada and Australia, binanggit kanina. So the exam will evaluate your competency, whether the candidates have the necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities to safely, no, and effectively perform the responsibilities expected of an entry-level registered nurse. 'Di ba? On the other hand po, yan, ako kasi nakaranas talaga ako ng transition. So may edge ako, 'di ba? Kasi kita ko talaga yung mukha ng next generation. So the next generation NCLEX is a new version of the NCLEX that was launched in April last year lang. So it incorporates updated testing methods aimed at better assessing candidates' clinical judgment and decision-making abilities. So the NGN focuses on how nurses manage real-world, no, complex patient care scenarios and test their critical thinking skills more rigorously than previous version. So mas maganda ngayon, mas based sa akin, ano, merong papakitaan ka ng electronic health record, so makikita mo kung ano ba yung lagay ng patient, mas kompleto, mas detalye, feeling ko mas madaling makapasa. No, mas madali siya makapasa. And dapat ganun talaga tayo, lalo sa practice. Dapat develop ang clinical judgment natin. Ang ating decision-making abilities talagang ayos. Payag kayo? So, in summary, I am discussing how the NCLEX RN has evolved into next generation NCLEX with enhanced features and evaluation models aimed at producing more prepared and capable nursing professionals. So, lately kasi maraming mga tawag dito, malpractice, mga negligence na co-commit nurses, no? Very common dyan yung mga medication error. So nakita ni NCLEX yan. So kailangan ma-improve. Ma-improve tayo. So kailangan well-equipped tayo lalo sa in practice natin, ano? Okay, pinaghahandaan natin not only yung exam, no, hindi lang only yung pagpasa natin sa NCLEX, pati yung practice natin, just in case na makarating tayo sa United States. 'Di ba? Okay, so papakilala ko din sa inyo. Okay, ito, magkaroon tayo ng comparison. Let's take a closer look at the key differences between the old NCLEX and the next generation NCLEX NGN. 'Di ba? So before, time allowed, both the old and the new NCLEX exams provide 5 hours to complete the test. So mahaba yan. Sanay tayo ng 1 hour lang, 100 items. 'Di ba? Versus yung PNL mo, napakatagal, ilang araw mong tinake, 2 days, whole day. So dito 5 hours lang 'yan, no? Okay, so however, the number of questions has increased. So the old NCLEX had between dati 75 and 145 questions, while the NGN contains between 85 and 150 questions lang ngayon. So this means that you need to be more efficient in managing your time, focusing on the important details and filtering out irrelevant information. Ayan, pag-usapan natin yung mga pretest items. Nandiyan ba sa harap nyo? Yan, pretest items, and these are unscored. So both versions of the exam include 50 unscored or pretest items. So these questions are used, no, to test for future exam formats. But you won't know which ones are pretest questions. Therefore, it's essential to treat every question seriously. Okay, so minsan makaka-encounter tayo ng out of this world question. Actually, hindi, no? Mga latest trend yun na i-introduce pa lang. So, tinetest tayo. Pero good thing, dapat sagutan mo pa rin ng being best nurses na katulad mo, 'di ba? So, ayan. So, ano pa ba? Case studies, makaka-encounter tayo. So, a major change po in the NGN natin is the addition of case study questions, which did not exist in the old NCLEX. Now, every candidates will encounter at least 3 case studies, with each one containing 6 questions, resulting in a total of 18 case study questions. And case studies po is considered as a hard or difficult question sa NCLEX. So once na nahihit mo to at natatama mo ng marami, very good ka. Tama? So meron tayong partial credit. Fair kasi si NCLEX ngayon yung bagong NCLEX, lalo sa mga entry level, 'di ba? So meron siyang partial credit, especially sa SATA, no? In the old NCLEX kasi, select all that apply, yung mga questions na yan were either entirely correct ka or incorrect, wala ka na magagawa. But dito sa NGN natin, nag-o-offer sila ng partial credit for these questions, meaning that you can earn points for correct selections even if you don't get the full answer. Ganun siya. So, ano ang tip natin dito? Piliin mo lang yung sure ka. Pag hindi ka sure, wag mo nang piliin para hindi ka ma-right minus wrong. 'Di ba? Ganun yun. And dito, hindi na tayo nagme-memorize ng mga laboratory values. So nurses, maganda yun, no? Hindi na kasi kasama na siya sa electronic health record natin, lalo sa mga case study. So another helpful update is the inclusion of the lab values in the NGN. Previously po, you had to memorize all the laboratory values, but now the test will provide these, no? These values indicating whether they are normal, high, or low. So while you still need to interpret them, the burden of memorizing every value is reduced. Yon. So these changes po emphasize critical thinking, yung time management po, and clinical judgment aligning with the demands of real-world nursing. So maganda, 'di ba? Maganda. So paano ba magbigay ng tanong si NCLEX? Okay, ganito 'yon. So the NCLEX exam focuses on 4 areas. Okay, so ito yung breakdown. Una, safe and effective care environment. So, syempre si NCLEX, gusto niya malaman na yung mga nurses natin must ensure patient safety. No, safety please, tandaan, pakisulat ng malaki. Yan lang dapat ang iisipin mo. By preventing infections, handling emergencies, and ensuring equipment functions correctly. 'Di ba? They also need to adhere to ethical standards and regulations. Diyan kukuha ng malaking portion ng mga tanong natin sa NCLEX. Okay? Health promotions and maintenance. Nurses are responsible for keeping individuals healthy through education about good habits like eating well and staying active. They perform tests to catch health issues early and develops plan to maintain wellness. Okay, tapos psychosocial integrity, okay, physiological integrity, yan, no? In which the nurses po must understand the human body. The basic one and the abnormal one dapat nabalikan mo, na-review mo dapat. 'Di ba? To be able for you to understand the abnormal dapat, oy, kasi alam ko yung normal. Alam ko yung mga basic anatomy and physiology na. Alam ko yung mga konting idea when it comes to biochem, 'di ba? Kasi kasama 'yan. Tama? So nurses must understand the human body and how to respond when it malfunctions. So they are knowledgeable about the diseases, pag-uusapan natin yun sa review, the medications and medical procedures, and they closely monitor how patients responds to the treatment. So these 4 areas reflect, no, the fundamental competencies nurses need to care for patients and ensure their safety. Kuha natin. Kuhang-kuha, no? Madali lang naman intindihin. So, NCLEX po is CAT, Computer Adaptive Testing. So, the NCLEX RN is computerized adaptive, meaning that the test monitors your responses and adapts to the questions to know your abilities. So, paano ba nagwo-work yan, sir? Especially po, no, it's essentially to know that if you answer a question correctly, you get a more difficult question. But if you are incorrect, you are given an easier question to answer. So, ganyan pala siya. 'Di ba? So, may chance pa. Habang may tanong, may pag-asa pa. Huwag lang mag-shutdown yung computer, no? Yun, wala na tayong magawa. So, habang may tanong, laban pa tayo. Okay? So, sagot ng mabuti. Ha? Sagot ng mabuti and maximize natin yung oras na binigay. Huwag mabilis magsagot. Unawaing mabuti yung tanong at yung options. Tama? Okay, very good nurses. So, ito pa, isa sa ino-offer namin sa review. Okay, itong ating test-taking strategies. Napaka-importante. Why? Naku, marami akong kakilala ang gagaling sa pathophysiology, kabisado yung disease process. Pero pagdating sa exam, hindi man lang makatama ng sagot. Kasi hindi sila marunong mag-unawa or makomprehend nila yung mga questions. Minsan, common sense lang, masyadong nag-overthink, no? Nag-over-rationalize. So, dito, ipapractice natin yan. And kung hirap tayo sa concept, gamitan natin ng test-taking strategies. Hindi yung walang-wala kang mapilian, pinili mo na lang letter C for Christ. Diba? Diba? So, to succeed on the NCLEX, no? Mastering a few essential test-taking strategies can make a big difference po, no? The first and most important step is to carefully read and understand each question. So, often questions can be tricky kasi hindi lang yan ganun kadali. May mga distractors na ini-include yan to confuse the test takers. However po, taking the time to really grasp what's being asked and even rephrasing the question in your own words can help you. So marami tayong pag-uusapan dyan, no? Remember that the effective test preparation is a key component of success, tulad nga ng nasa harapan ninyo. Okay? Sige po. Move on tayo. Medyo mahaba, no? Ayan. No, tandaan mo, there is no ultimate rule. Every question must be answered individually. Okay? So focus tayo. So ito sa mga encounter mo sa review, tuturuan namin kayo mag-identify ng mga strategic words, no? Yung mga tips and tricks. Kasi yun ang mga pampagulo. Know what is being asked. Minsan incorrect, all but one, all except one, select all that apply, needs for further teaching, indicates an understanding. So tatanungin ka kung ito ba yung nanghihingi ng positive answer, ito ba yung nanghihingi ng negative answer. Tapos may mga tanong pa yan, gusto pa niya best answer. Tapos may tatanungin niya, o bigyan mo lang ako ng initial answer mo. Ano ba essential answer mo? Ano highest priority mo? 'Di ba? Ano yung first response na gagawin mo? So dapat marunong tayo mag-prioritize. So dito sa NCLEX Unlimited Online, kasama yan. Kasama yan, no? Mga ganyang pag-uusapan natin. And with that being said, sa mga nandito sa atin ngayon, no? Okay. Please answer this actual NCLEX question. Okay, practice tayo isang beses lang ha. Okay. Okay, type in your answer, sagutin ha. All but one is the cranial nerves of the eyes. Letter A, cranial nerve number 2. Letter B, cranial nerve number 4. Letter C, cranial nerve number 6. Letter D, none of the above. Or letter E, all of the above. Sige nga po, pakitry sagutan kahit wala tayong idea or alam mo yun, test-taking strategies nga to eh, no? Okay? Anyone? 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 Ma'am and sir, no? Try natin. So, meron ba tayo? Meron ba tayo dyan? O mahirap?
So yun sir, no, may sumagot daw from our chat box.
O
Sabi
sige,
niya,
hindi ko kasi nakikita.
letter B daw.
Letter B. Okay, so yan, no? Sumagot ka kagad ng mabilis. O, basahin mo munang mabuti yung tanong. Tagalogin mo kung saan sa'yo makaluluwag ba. Kasi all but one is the cranial nerves of the eyes. May meaning yan. Hindi yan ganun kadali lang. Hindi yan basta-basta ganun lang ibibigay. No? So, nice try. O, cranial nerve number 4 yung sinasabi niya.
Okay. Sir, this time,
Okay.
no, may mga nurses pa tayong nag-try. From
Sige.
Ma'am Katrina, letter A.
Letter A, nice try. Optic nerve kasi yun, no?
And then
Okay.
kay Ma'am Melody naman is letter D.
None of the above. Okay, so tignan natin kung sino nakakuha ng tamang sagot.
Wala
Okay,
pa na
very good.
kumukuha ng
Alam mo,
letters
galing
si
ni
Sir.
Ma'am Melody. Ma'am Melody, nadali niya batang-bata pa. Joke lang. So, di ba? Iyan yun. In the context, I provided the phrase all but one. No, it's not referring to the same situation as all except a specific person or thing. Kumbaga, in this case, all but one pertains to the cranial nerves associated with eye functions. It means that all the cranial nerves mentioned here, optic nerve, oculomotor, trochlear, and abducens are all involved in controlling different eye functions except for one. So none of the above kasi lahat yan kasali. O nadali kayo ng all but one, ha? Okay, all but one is parang all except one ang meaning niyan. 'Di ba? So wag kagad sagot ng sagot. Yun yung madalas kung bakit bumabagsak ng NCLEX. Kuha? Kuha po ba natin? So marami pa kayong mai-encounter na ganyan. Don't worry, magsasawa kayo. Ha? Magsasawa talaga kayo. Okay? So, konting background lang ba? Ano ba yung cranial nerves of the eye, no? Tinatanong ba yun sa NCLEX? Yes, maybe. Yes, opo. Tinatanong po yun sa NCLEX. Okay, so cranial nerves of the eye, we all know that the eye is capable of moving in 8 different directions. Diba ang mata mo kayang up and down, right and left, diagonally, right and up, right and down, left and up, and left and down. Diba nagagawa ng mata mo yun? Because there are 7 extraocular muscles responsible for these movements. Meron tayong superior rectus, inferior rectus, ayan no, sa harapan nyo, lateral rectus, medial rectus, superior oblique. Pinag-aralan natin yan nung undergrad, nakalimutan mo na, di ba? Mga ilang years ka na ba hindi naka-school? Parehas tayo, hindi na ako nung una. So, kailangan nating reviewin. Tama? Okay, so ayan yung mga muscles na nagko-control ng eye movement natin. Tama? So, these muscles are innervated by 3 cranial nerves, cranial nerve number 3, oculomotor, cranial nerve number 4, trochlear, and cranial nerve number 6, abducens. So, may mnemonics akong ginamit. Innervation natin is LR6SO43. So, ilang tandaan mo? Nakakita ko ng mata, LR6SO43. Di ba? Madali lang. It means LR6, lateral rectus, cranial nerve number 6. Okay, SO4 is superior oblique, cranial nerve number 4, and the rest are all controlled by cranial nerve number 3. Di ba? So, ganun siya. Very good, Ma'am Melody. At salamat sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot, no? Very good. At sa mga hindi, okay lang yun, nice try. At least, importante yung rationalization behind. Hindi yung score, no? At least importante yung ano yung natutunan natin. So, prepare strategically for upcoming NCLEX exam. Paggandaan natin yung wala tayong sasayangin na panahon, na oras, no? Okay, kasi gusto natin makuha to one time, big time. We cannot afford mabagsak yung exam na to because di mo alam anong i-offer nito sa'yo after na mabasa ka sa exam, 'di ba? Pwedeng mabago buhay mo. Yes. Maraming opportunities sa mag-open sa iyo. Yes po. Okay? So, guidance for success, nandito kami. Mga NCLEX lecturer nyo, okay? We're all going to guide you. Unlimited to kayo mag-alala. Unlimited habang di kayo nakakapasa. Yun ang maganda rito. May one-on-one mentoring tayo. Okay? So meron tayong observation and assessment. So may coaching din may coaching session din tayo. We offer personalized mentoring to boost confidence and understanding, pati anxiety management. Kasama yan. Kasi yung iba, talagang kinakabahan na, alam nyo ba yung anxiety na yan, talagang pag yan ay talagang nagtagumpay sa buhay mo, lalo sa araw ng exam mo, magdidilim ang paningin mo. As in talagang mamemess up ka. Meron pa akong kasama nun, kabatch ko nag-take ng NCLEX, nag-MI siya habang nagsasagot ng NCLEX. Sa sobrang kaba niya, meron pala siyang comorbid. So, wag sanang mangyari sa atin yun. So, paghandaan nating mabuti, physically and mentally, and syempre, pagpipray natin kay Lord yun. No? Okay? Yung kanyang favor, ibigay niya sa atin. Na ibigay niya sa atin to. This is the perfect time, di ba? Na ibigay na siya sa atin. Yun, kasama yan. So, ano pa ba? Learning with precision and fostering discipline. Effective discipline methods are essential, especially manage your time, your stress anxiety, tulad na binanggit ko, and stay composed throughout your preparation sa journey para pagkapasa mo ng NCLEX, isa ka sa magpapatotoo sa bawat isa kung ano yung journey na pinagdaanan mo. 'Di ba? And it's worth it. Promise, it's worth it. Kahit ako nung nakapasa ako, talagang natulo na lang yung luha ko na grabe pala. And now, ang daming opportunities nag-open sa akin. Tama? Okay, nung PHR ako, wala. As in, nakakahon lang ako. Pero ngayon, ang daming opportunities. Opportunities na binigay sa akin si Lord. So, I'm very grateful sa ganitong pagkain. Kayo din, syempre, no? Sa dami-dami ng tao, no? Ilan lang tayo na pwedeng maupo sa Trident Tower or dun sa person B to take the exam. 'Di ba? Okay, so practice natin yan. So, papakilala ko lang ulit, are you looking for an effective and affordable NGN NCLEX review? So, ito po yun, NCLEX Unlimited Online. So, kung may trabaho ka, okay lang yan. Meron tayong mga recorded videos, pwede mong balikan. Tapos, prior to that, no, sa simula ng cycle, meron tayong presentation, no? Ituturo namin mga study plan, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin, no, para everyday meron tayong natatapos na task. Okay? So, ayan. So, are you struggling to balance work and reviews? Common na common sa atin yan, no? Lalo sa atin, karamihan kasi sa atin professional nurses na. So, mahirap isingit. Mahirap isingit, no? Maraming commitment sa buhay. Pag-usapan natin yan. No? Gawan natin ng paraan yan. Hindi pwedeng walang paraan. 'Di ba? Hindi tayo tatanggap ng reasons kasi this is a blessing, 'di ba? So, kailangan kunin natin yan. Okay, very good. So, nagsisimula na po ang aming cycle 4. No, nag-start po ito noong October 1 at magtatapos sa October 12. Pwede po kayong humabol anytime kahit hindi kayo nasaktuhan ng cycle kasi recorded naman po at the same time po ay unlimited naman. So, next cycle, kayo pa rin naman po hanggang sa pumasa kayo. Okay, hindi namin kayo iiwanan. Ha? Okay, so ganyan po ano. Okay, so okay. Maganda dito. Okay, maganda dito. Powered by mobile app technology. So, pwede mong i-download yung apps. May dashboard kayo. Nandun yung ma-access lahat ng kailangan nyo. So, pwede sa Google Play and Apple Store. Available po yung ating apps. Very good. So, ito po yung maganda. Ma-enjoy nyo po yung unlimited live interactive review natin. So, more on classroom settings tayo. Lahat nagpa-participate. Lahat nag-share ng thoughts. No, lahat ay nagche-check and balance tayo kasi di naman lahat ay alam natin, 'di ba? So, pinag-uusapan natin 'yan, no? Nagbe-brainstorming tayo, 'di ba? So, mai-enjoy po natin 'yan. So, sana maka-attend ng live lecture. Kung hindi naman kung hindi available, okay lang, meron naman tayong recorded, no? Recorded live lecture videos natin and including yung mga PowerPoint, yung mga handout materials, no? Sinesend po natin sa student po yan. Pinoprovide po natin yan. Okay? So, meron po tayo sa apps natin na 3,000 hours video recorded classes na nandun yun. Kasi from time to time po nag-update kami, no? Sa mga bagong trends, mga bago lumabas itong mga month na to, ano ba yung mga common, tapos may mga last time may lumabas ng mga biological warfare. So dinagdag natin yun, ano. So ayan, at least marireview po tayo sa mga current trends and events po natin. Okay? Lalo ngayon may MPAX, 'di ba? So baka makasama. So, sinasama natin yan. So, ma-enjoy po natin ng live via Zoom and video recorded classes. So, pag-usapan natin yung mga test-taking strategy. Okay, so by app, web portal, website, and dashboard. Accessible yan 24/7, anytime, anywhere. Compatible with any devices, computers, tablets, and smartphones. So, wala kang dahilan para hindi ka mag-review. No, walang dahilan. So, ito ang maganda. Meron po tayong CATS, Computerized Adaptive Test System. So katulad to ng mga UWorld Archers, so medyo mahal sila, 'di ba? So kung wala kang budget, o meron tayo kasama na yun sa package. So marami yung questions kasi ganun ang drill. Right after the lecture dapat nag-e-exam na, no, nagsasagot ng mga Q banks to calibrate ko talaga natuto ka, hindi pwedeng nakinig ka lang. Kasi hindi yun ganon, kasi hindi yun isang upuan makakain mo yung mga tinuro namin. No, as a form of retention, binabalikan, nagno-notes taking tayo at the same time ay nagsasagot tayo ng exam. Okay? Nagsasagot tayo ng mga Q banks. So, mahirap ba? Yes. Walang madali sa mundong to, lahat talaga para worth it. Talagang ganon. Magsasakripisyo tayo. Okay? We're giving a tough love. No, hindi to spoon feeding na wala kaming pakialam sa inyo at all. No, dito medyo bantayin kayo. Babantayan namin kayo. So, kasi gusto natin makuha to one time, big time. No? And makamove on na kagad tayo dun sa lupang pangakong tinatawag nila. Sana. Alright. So, ayan ulit, ano, meron tayong limited subscription lahat. Pati po yung mga materials, available yan, no? Huwag ka nang bumili online. Nandito na lahat. Ibibigay namin ang gusto mo. Mga charity, Saunders, mga simple nursing, no? Pero sa lecture, maintindihan mo kung mayroon na tayong reference na gagamitin. Hindi tayo gumagamit ng maraming references para hindi magulo. Okay? So, meron tayong free unlimited subscription of your computer adaptive testing, 6,000 plus next generation QBanks. Meron tayong 3,000 plus na select all that apply type of question and case study. May daily mock test tayo, daily custom test with ratio and performance tracker. So, magugulat ka lang, mag-i-email ako sa inyo. Oy, sir, ma'am, medyo bumababa yung scores natin. So, focus tayo. Gusto mo mag-session tayo. So, may mga ganun po. Okay, tapos makaka-receive ka ng email na. Very good kasi ang tataas ang nakukuha mo. So, ganun po yun. Papalakasan tayo ng loob dito. Alright. So, ito yung mga courses benefits na pwede nating makuha. Ayun sa harapan nyo. And also, ako po nagpa-facilitate ng final coaching. So, most likely, crash course para kasing NCLEX yun. No, hindi ka naman pwedeng mamili ng topic na gusto mo. So, kung ano yung lumabas na tanong, okay, sasagot tayo. So, ganun din sa ating final coaching. Maganda yun, no? 2 araw yun. Okay, medyo talagang crash course. Kung ano yung lumabas sa PowerPoint, pag-aaralan na natin yan. Okay, very good. So, malapit na po ako matapos. Okay, meron tayong plus NCLEX exam and processing assistance. Okay, so pwede kayo pumili kung anong states ang available or gusto nyo and kung saan magfi-fit yung credentials mo. Okay, meron tayo sa New York, NMI, Illinois, and Texas. So for the meantime, yan muna. Meron din yatang Colorado. Okay, so we're expanding din. Yung AVA po natin, yun ang may handle ng ating processing assistance for this matter. Okay, so kung may tanong kasama po yan, please contact po yung ating mga admins. Okay, very good. So ano pa bang iniintay nyo? What are you waiting for, nurses? Enroll now. 'Di ba? Your one-stop solution for all nursing needs. 'Di ba? Nandito na lahat, ikaw na lang ang kulang. And of course, salamat sa Grandison, no, na mag-o-offer po sa atin ng comprehensive training din po for employment both here in the Philippines and in the United States po. Okay, so once again, thank you for attention. So sana natuto kayo ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat sa mga nakinig. And salamat sa tiwala sa program natin. So remember, success, the NCLEX is within reach with the right guidance and preparation. So to be able for you to succeed, you sacrifice. Sabi nga sa isang palabas. To God be all the glory po. Once again, I'm EJ Santiago, a registered nurse or NCLEX trainer, lecturer from NCLEX Unlimited Online. I look forward to seeing with you in our review session. So God bless and Sir Daryl, thank you once again, no? Grandison for this opportunity. To God be all the glory po. Thank you. Sir Daryl, okay
All
na ako.
right, thank you very much for the insightful information, Sir EJ, no? So natuwa naman kami dahil may pa-surprise quiz nga si Sir EJ sa atin. Okay, this time, once again sa lahat ng mga live viewers natin dyan, don't forget to fill out the Google form na nakapin sa Zoom chat and Facebook comment section. So, no, for the meantime, sir, no? Sir EJ, um, may na-receive
Yes
akong
po.
direct message, no? Dahil nga
Sure po.
nagpa-quiz ka kanina. So even though na nabanggit mo na yung mga tips and strategies, so ang question niya, sir, in your own experience daw, sir, any tips and strategies on how pass the NCLEX exam?
Marami. Maraming tips and strategies tayo. Pag-uusapan talaga natin yan. Mayroong separate lecture for that, actually. No? Minsan magsasabay tayo magsagot ng questions. Titignan namin kung paano ka paano ka ma-comprehend ng isang tanong. Titignan namin kung paano ka pumili ng options. So ma-assess lahat, no, in all aspect. So tuturuan ka namin kung paano atakihin yung questions na yon, no? Na hindi nag-overthink, hindi nag-over-rationalize. So, mag-iisip lang tayo doon lang mismo, what you say is what you get. Yun kasi yung nakakalimutan ng mga nurses natin eh. Porket ang dami mong alam, nagpatophysiology ka, pero ang hinihingi lang sa'yo, ganito lang. 'Di ba? Yon. So, marami tayong pag-uusapan and yung mga tips na yun, park muna natin for the meantime. So, see you na lang sa review natin. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much, Sir EJ, no? So, before I introduce our next speaker, I will play a short video first about Grandison.
Grandison really changed my life.
From recruitment to the end of their contract, we give them everything.
It's been the greatest job that I've had. I started out with a work visa under Grandison, and then they sponsored my residency, and then I became an American citizen, and then I moved out from a staff physical therapist to running a rehab department. Grandison was the one who opened all those doors for me.
We recently brought over a physical therapist that I asked her, how much are you making right now? I ran the numbers. I said, I have some interesting news for you. You'll be making in 7 hours what you made in 30 days in the Philippines.
This is probably the biggest change that will occur in your life. Grandison is here to hold your hand, and there is always someone to reach out to.
We're not dealing with a product. We're not dealing with a computer program. We're dealing with people and people's lives. And every step of the way, we try to take that into account.
I don't think you'll find in any other company or any other place people who care as much as our team does for the PTs and the RNs.
All right, ayan no. After you pass your NCLEX, so of course, you will be finding yourself an employer going to the United States. So now, it's the best time for us to showcase Grandison offered and sponsorship and benefits by our Grandison Nursing Davao recruitment supervisor, Miss Ruth Torrente. So Miss Ruth, the floor is yours.
Hi, Miss Ruth. Wala pong sounds, ma'am. Nakamute po kayo, ma'am.
Alright, so thank you very much, Sir Darrell. Ayan, take 2 po tayo, no? So nag-mute ako kanina. Again, good afternoon po sa ating mga aspiring USRNs and of course sa mga USRNs po natin na nandito sa ating FB Live, no? So this is your chance, of course, no, para po makilala ninyo si Grandison, kung sino po ba si Grandison, and of course, we will be discussing the sponsorship program, ang mga ino-offer po na program ni Grandison, and at the same time, kung paano po ba ninyo uumpisahan ang inyong American journey, of course, with Grandison. Okay, so with no further ado, let's proceed with our next slide.
Be a nurse in the United States. Work and live in your preferred state together with your family, just like our Grandison nurses. All the way from the Philippines and UAE to the United States.
All right, so those are some of our nurses, no, actually na na-deploy na ni Grandison sa US, and also sila po yung mga nurses natin na nakasama ang kanilang mga dependents bound to the US. Okay, so here in Grandison, we are sponsoring you with the EB3 Green Card Visa Sponsorship, and these are some of the benefits, no, na if you are a green card holder, ito po yung mga possible na magiging benefits mo na matatanggap sa Amerika mismo. Okay, so first, reside and work permanently in the United States, no? So after your contract with Grandison, hindi po namin kayo pauuwiin dito sa Pilipinas, of course, because you are an EB3 holder, green card holder na po kayo, so you can absolutely stay in the US for good na po. Okay? And another here is the opportunity to apply for US citizenship. So after 5 years of staying in the US, pwede na po kayong mag-apply for US citizenship and might as well be an American citizen. O di ba ang taray, hindi ka lang Filipino citizen but you are also an American citizen. And ang benefits po niyan is you can file a petition for your parents or even your siblings. Okay? Another is protection from deportation. Ayan, so hindi ka na mangangamba every time you travel from one country to another. It is because since you are a green card holder, no, wala kang pangangamba if ma-offload ka, no. So since you are an AB3 holder, ang dami pong benefits na nag-aantay sa'yo. Okay? Another is legal protection under US laws and of course the ability to sponsor family members who are applying for their green card or their dependent green card visa. So yes po, nurses, you will be the one to sponsor for your green card of your dependents as well. Okay? Easier travel internationally and within the US, and of course the eligibility to federal benefits including financial aid and social security. Okay? All right. So ayan, no. So here in Grandison po, we are proud to say na kahit po nasa kalagitnaan kayo ng pag-process ng application ninyo, even in times of retrogression, wala po kaming ina-abandon. Okay? So far po, wala kaming narinig, no, na inabandon ng mga nurses ni Grandison because again, we are offering you a secure placement. Okay? So since 2007, Grandison Management has enabled medical professionals from the Philippines to do the work they love by connecting them to hospitals, healthcare facilities, and long-term care communities in the United States. Only Grandison was able to continuously deploy physical therapists in the United States, even in times of retrogression and pandemic. And yes, we are doing it again. This time, it's a secure placement not just for PTs, but also for nurses like you. So kahit po gaano man katagal bago matapos ang process ng papers po ninyo, especially this time, no, na may retrogression, hindi po namin kayo iiwanan sa ere. We will definitely wait for you hanggang sa makompleto yung papers na yon, ma-lift ang retrogression, magkaroon kayo ng interview, embassy interview schedule, and most likely makapunta na po sa US because Grandison po is offering you a secure placement. Ibig sabihin, trabaho na lang po mismo ang nag-aantay sa inyo pagdating mismo sa Amerika. Alright? Okay, and yes, of course, here in Grandison pa din po, no? So we are still the fastest to secure your priority date. Hindi po tayo for manpower pooling lang, ha, mga nurses. Here in Grandison, we have documents ready for us to be able to file your application as much as possible. Of course, kailangan din po natin na documents ready na yung mga partner o yung mga nurses natin para po ma-process na maumpisa na ang process ng papers po ninyo. Okay? So we are not just for pulling here, we have corresponding documents for us to be able to file your application and might as well get or secure your priority date. Okay? Another is, meron po tayong approved job orders from DMW or from POAA. One of the many requirements po for us to file your priority date is of course ang isang agency po dapat merong approved job order yan. Okay? So kung walang job order ang isang agency, no, yan is nagpupuling lang sila. Baka merong magtatanong, ma'am, actually nag-apply ako sa ibang agency, inabot ako ng 8 months hanggang ngayon wala po akong priority date. The problem po is that it's either walang approved job order ang isang agency because they are just manpower pooling lang. No? So kumbaga, nagre-recruit lang sila ng mga nurses, wala silang corresponding documents para ma-suffice doon sa mga requirements na kailangan for us to process your priority date. But here in Grandeson, yes po, nurses, anytime na may mag-apply na mga nurses po natin bound to the US, as long as of course complete requirements na kayo, ifa-file na din po natin agad yan, of course for us to secure your priority date. Okay? Next is ready po ang ating PWD. So hindi po ito persons with disability ha. PWD po stands for Prevailing Wage Determination. So it will determine kung magkano po ang magiging salary rate mo per hour sa state of your deployment. Okay? We follow what is mandated by the US labor law. So kung magkano po, no, yung iyong magiging salary rate per hour sa state of your deployment sa state na mapupuntahan mo, yun din po ang salary na matatanggap mo from Grandison. Okay? So wala po tayong salary deduction, wala tayong processing fee, and wala din po tayong placement fee. All right? All we ask from our nurses is that a full commitment to finish the contract with Grandison. After that, kapag tapos na kayo sa kontrata niyo with us, pwede na po kayo mag-transfer in any other facility or might as well mag-transition sa hospital. Ang kailangan lang po natin is talagang parang return of service, no, na tapusin ang kontrata with Grandison kasi kami na pong bahala hanggang sa makarating po kayo sa Amerika. Okay? Next is we are your direct petitioner din po. So by nature, Grandison is a staffing agency. But what makes us unique is that we are also your petitioner. Ibig sabihin, kami po mismo ang mag-file ng inyong mga I-140 petition, your visa sponsor as well, and of course, your staffing agency. So blended ang program na ino-offer ni Grandison. You get the benefit from a direct hire and at the same time, a staffing agency. So all throughout your contract, all throughout your employment, you are under the management of Grandison. And yes po, si Grandison mismo ang magpapasweldo po sa inyo. Okay? Lastly, okay, so zero experience is accepted. So who among you here, sa mga Facebook Live viewers po natin, ang zero experience, no? So, ang ating pong program is designed specifically po talaga sa mga nurses with zero experience, no? So baka isipin natin, ma'am, ano pong gagawin namin doon pagdating namin sa US if wala po kaming experience, no? Don't worry, nurses, kasi pagdating po ninyo doon sa Amerika, we will provide preceptorship training for you. And even before po kayo ma-deploy papuntang US 1 month before your deployment to the US, we will provide online training pa din po. Of course, to make you fully equipped and para ma-prepare din kayo sa inyong magiging trabaho in the US. Okay? And another thing is that yung ibang agency kasi, they will require you to get back to bedside bago po nila kayo tanggapin, no? So here in Grandison, we will not oblige you to go back to bedside kung ayaw nyo kasi 'di ba mostly na ang reklamo, no, ng mga nurses natin is that toxic, no, working especially in the hospital. So yes, here in Grandison, kahit hindi po kayo bumalik sa bedside, accepted po kayo sa program ni Grandison because again, we are accepting zero experience po ng mga nurses. Okay? Ayan. So this is a deployment timeline. You can take a screenshot po for this one para at least guided kayo kung saang stage na kayo ng inyong application. Okay? So here's stage 0. Ayan, we will be conducting the initial screening and interview before we can join you or we can let you join our orientation. It's via Zoom. Meron po tayong everyday na orientation, no? So kindly approach your respective recruiter as well if you want to join the proper orientation po. Okay? And then after the orientation, we will be extending the employment contract. Okay? What is being discussed during orientation is also step stipulated naman po sa kontrata. But if you have questions or clarifications while reviewing the contract, feel free to reach out to your respective recruiter, okay? And if you decided not to join the program of Grandison, ano pang inaantay natin? No? Sign the contract and submit the necessary requirements for us to start na rin your English review and exam. Okay, and then sa stage 1, so this is the immigrant visa petition. Before we proceed with filing of your I-140 petition, we will conduct screening and interview first. So one of our Filipino deployment team will conduct the screening and interview. No? So wag po kayo mag-alala when it comes to screening and interview kasi most likely it's just kung ano po yung nakalagay sa inyong mga resume, yun lang din naman po yung sets of question na possible na itatanong sa inyo. And of course, setting of proper expectation. Okay? And if okay na, tapos na yung interview and then you pass the interview, so that is also the time na i-move forward na natin ang inyong application. So we will then file your I-140 petition and then we will submit it to the USCIS for us to be able to secure your priority date. Yan na po ang pinaka-umpisa na pag-process ng papers po ninyo. Okay? And then simultaneously, while waiting for your priority date or even while waiting for your petition to be approved, magkakandak na rin po tayo ng pag-finalize ng inyong mga state license. Okay? Here, sa pag-finalize po ng inyong mga state license, no? So for example, your license is from New York and then you will be deployed in Maryland. No? Si Grandison na po yung mag-finalize or mag-i-endorse ng inyong state, ng inyong license to other state and will pay for the corresponding fee as well. Okay? Next is visa screen application. So with this one, maggagawa po kayo ng CGFNS account in preparation for your visa screen application and then immigrant petition approval. Okay? And then sa stage 2, no, kung approved na po yung petition ninyo, that is also the time na babayaran na rin po ni Grandison ang inyong mga NVC fee bill. And this time din po, no, dito sa stage 2, if you have your dependents with you, dito sa stage 2 po, pwede nyo na rin bayaran ang NVC fee bill ng mga dependents po ninyo kasi we will be the one to process the visa application of your dependents as well. Okay? So, hindi na kayo mangangamba na, ay, ako pa mag-file ng visa application ng dependents ko kung dadalhin ko sila sa US. No? So, here in Grandison, kami po ang bahalang mag-process kasabay ng visa application po ninyo at ng inyong dependents. Okay? Ayan. And after the payment of the visa, so next we will proceed sa DS-260 application. So this time you need to complete, no, kung ano man yung kulang mo ng mga requirements talaga dito po sa stage 2, kailangan kompleto na siya kasi we will transit your DS-260 application and other documents sa US Embassy naman. Okay? After that, si US Embassy will check and will validate kung tama ba yung mga sinabit mong documents, wala bang mga tinamper or wala bang mga dinuktor na kompleto ba lahat. So that means kapag kompleto na-approve na yan ng US Embassy, that is, next process na po is magiging documentary qualified na kayo or you call that one as DQ. Okay, so I believe most of our nurses alam, no, pinaka-aantay yung DQ. Kasi ano po ang kasunod ng DQ? Kasunod po ng DQ is that si US Embassy po will issue the issuance of ID. So that means you can proceed with the medical exam and then the embassy interview. Okay, kapag okay na sa medical exam, so dito po sa Grandison, iba po yung program natin. No? So before we proceed with the actual embassy interview, meron pa rin po kayong assistance na ma-receive from Grandison because we will provide mock embassy interview po muna bago po kayo isalang sa pinaka-actual embassy interview to make sure that kayo yung sagutin or kaya ninyong sagutin yung mga possible questions na ibabato po sa inyo ng inyong assigned consul. And if you are ready enough na ma'am, okay na po, I am confident na kaya ko na pong sagutin yung mga possible question ng assigned consul ko. So that is also the time na we will proceed na for the embassy interview. And also si Grandison din po mag-a-assist sa inyo on what are those mga needed documents na kailangan for the embassy interview. Okay? And then right after that, ayan, ito na pinaka-aantay ng lahat, ang deployment stage. Ayan, so right after, no, pagkatapos po, sabihin ng iyong assigned consul, congratulations pa lang, magdiwang ka na, magdiwang na kayo mga nurses. Bakit? Ibig sabihin, you already secure your visa. Okay? Since you are already approved by the your embassy interview, ang tawag dito, momentum, no? Kumbaga, pinakaayan na, nandito na ako sa tuktok ng aking tagumpay is you will be secure. You already secure your visa. Okay? So, in return, ang atin pong US Consulate will collect your passport and then siguro 5 to 7 days, they will return it to you and then nakalagay na po doon ang visa ninyo. Okay? Ayan. And of course, before we prepare for flight, ayan, so we will have to have our PDOS or pre-departure orientation seminar. And then, ayan, prepare for flight, arrive in the US to fulfill your American dream. Okay? Take note, nurses, that this is not just a one-night process. Okay? Marami pong pagdadaanan yan because, again, syempre, very strict si US no, when it comes to checking no, your mga application, pero it will all be worth it. Okay? Kahit po merong retrogression, we highly suggest no, na mag-process po tayo ng application ninyo para at least meron po tayong ilulook forward. Kasi for sure, yung mga nurses natin na nag-process ng application ahead of time, kahit may retrogression, for sure, no, kapag na-lift ang retrogression or nag-current ang kanilang mga priority date, for sure mag-uunahan po sila sa pag-secure ng embassy interview. Eh kung ikaw, no, saka ka lang mag-process kung saka wala ng retrogression, for sure nasa stage 0 ka pa lang po. Mag-uumpisa ka pa lang, especially if wala ka pang English exam. Kaya we highly suggest no, sa mga nurses natin dito sa ating FB Live na make the most out of it, no, make retrogression productive, kung ano man po yung hindi pa natin natapos ma-process or kung ano man yung mga kailangan na documents baka na kailangan pa nating kuhanin, dapat kuhanin na po natin para at least umuusad po yung application po ninyo. Okay? Next slide, please. All right. So this is our employment benefits po para sa inyong mga nurses. So you can take a screenshot po for this one. Ayan. So end-to-end assistance for USRNs from deployment to arrival in the United States. Ayan. So secured full-time employment, a minimum of 35 hours work week schedule. So yes, here in Grandison, so since we are offering you a secure placement, no? So ibig sabihin, kahit po 32 hours lang yung na-rendered mong work in just a week, babayaran ka pa rin po ni Grandison ng minimum 35 hours work schedule. And also, yes, may ibibigay pa rin po siyang minimum 35 work week schedule. And ang kailangan po syempre no, na tawag dito, hours no, na kailangan pong ma-render ninyo, which is the average working hours in a week sa US is 40. No? But if, halimbawa, 32 lang no, yung na-render ninyo, babayaran pa rin po kayo ni Grandison ng up to 35 hours po. Okay? Ayan. Next is NCLEX exam reimbursement fee. Ayan. So for our USRNs na mga viewers po dito sa FB, ayan. So we will be reimbursing your NCLEX exam fee up to $350 to help you get more financial support once you arrive in the US. Okay? Next, social security number processing to help you get settled in the United States and work worry-free. So yes po, nurses, no, pagdating sa US, SSN is very essential. Kasi kung wala po kayong SSN, hindi po kayo agad-agad makakapag-work. Kaya ang ginagawa po ni Grandison is that we will also assist you in processing your SSN para pagdating ninyo ng Amerika, trabaho na lang po agad kayo. Okay? And up to 2,000 housing allowance for your relocation in the USA. So yes, i-avail nyo po ito kasi sayang. No? So first month of staying in the US, pwede nyo po itong i-avail lang hanggang up to 2,000 pesos. Meron po tayong common na staff house. Okay? However, no, the common staff house po is good for nurses lang. Okay? However, kung gusto po ninyo na pagdating ninyo sa Amerika, ang ingay, no? Ayan. So pagdating po ninyo ng Amerika, you'll just have kunwari stay in our staff house for siguro mga 1 or 2 days, and then after a day, no, nakastay na kayo sa staff house natin, you want to transfer na in your own house. So pwede nyo pong i-avail ang ating housing allowance for 1 month. Okay? So kung halimbawa po 1,500 no, ang bahay na nirerentahan po ninyo, yun din po yung corresponding amount na ibibigay ni Grandison sa inyo. Well, just doing it para at least makasettle agad-agad yung mga nurses natin pagdating sa US and wala na kayo iisipin kung hindi yung trabaho na lang. Okay? Ayan. Paid time of benefits and salary, overtime pay of 150% per hour. So yes, every year po, nurses, you will be entitled to have your vacation leave and sick leave with pay po yan, no? Bayad po kayo, no? So every year, for first year, meron kayong 10 to 12 days na vacation leave. Combination po yan ng vacation leave and sick leave. And then for the second and third year, magiging 15 to 18 days na po siya. Okay? And of course, our salary, we will base po sa prevailing wage, no? Kung magkano yung rate ng inyong magiging state, no? So yun din po yung ibibigay ni Grandison sa inyo na salary. And ayan, ito exciting part, no? So kung dito sa Pilipinas, nurses, I believe all of you, no, will agree with me, no? Kapag sinabi, kamusta yung overtime, ma'am? Overtime po namin is thank you lang ang bayad. Okay? So nakakalungkot isipin, di ba? But in the US, no, hindi po thank you ang ibabayad sa inyo. You will be paid 150% per hour po kung magkano yung salary rate mo per hour. So for example, no, ang regular hourly rate mo sa US is $38. So i-times mo lang yun, you have just have to multiply it 38 times 150. Yun po yung marireceive mong amount kapag nag-overtime ka. O di ba, magkakaroon ka ng maraming extra na dollar. Okay? Next, full client facility training and orientation. So yes, nurses kayo, confident kami na kahit zero experience po yung mga nurses natin, wala po kayong dapat ipag-alala kasi again, provided po ang preceptorship training, doon po mismo hands-on training po yan, doon mismo sa inyong magiging facility assignment. Okay? Ayan. Next is car and loan assistance. So yes, of course, in the US, it's very necessary na magkaroon po tayo ng sarili nating sasakyan. Hindi naman po kagaya yan dito sa Pilipinas, no, na maraming another modes of transportation, like merong angkas, no, merong Uber. May Uber ba dito? Ayan, no, may Grab, no, so may mga tricycle, marami yan dito. But in the US, limited lang ang means of transportation nila. It's either Uber, taxi, or train, no. Kaya kailangan po, we suggest na ang mga nurses po natin dito pa lang sa sa Pilipinas, kung hindi kayo marunong mag-drive, no, mag-aral na po tayo ng driving lesson para in return you can get your driver's license as well, kasi one of the requirements din po yung driver's license ninyo. Tutulungan po namin kayo na i-convert yan into international driver's license. And also, again, no, tutulungan po namin kayo na makakuha ng sarili po ninyong sasakyan. Ma'am, hindi po ako marunong mag-drive. Wala din po akong driver's license. So again, make this retrogression productive. Kung hindi ka pa po marunong mag-drive, mag-driving lesson ka na, no, para from the time na ma-lift ang retrogression, for sure, marunong ka na mag-drive and you already have your driver's license as well. Okay? Kahit non-pro po na driver's license, okay lang. Alright? Next, phone and opening bank account assistance. So for this one, pagdating nyo pa lang po sa Amerika, first day po ng pagdating nyo sa US, ito na agad ang bubungad, no, na assistance na ibibigay ni Grandison para sa ating mga nurses. Okay? And last but not the least, so insurance benefits. This will include malpractice insurance, dental and vision insurance, and other insurance benefits, which this will be discussed thoroughly pagdating po ninyo doon sa Amerika. Kasi kayo po yung mamimili kung ano po yung insurance benefits po na kukuhanin ninyo. If you have your family with you in the US, so syempre dapat kasama po sila sa insurance, right? But if you're single, so dapat single na insurance din ang kukunin nyo. This one will be discussed thoroughly ng ating US management team pagdating po ninyo ng Amerika. Okay? All right. Next slide, please. Okay, ayan. So more than 100 partnered facilities in various states and location in the US. So yes po, nurses, no? So Grandison have over 100 partnered facilities in the United States. Kaya meron at meron pong trabahong nag-aantay po sa inyo. So some of our largest healthcare providers, we have Centers Healthcare, we have Advance, Birchwood, Paragon, and so much more. Ayan. So why you should start your application now? Ito yung kadalasan, no, na tinatanong natin sa mga nurses po natin. Kasi yung iba, nagde-delay ng application. Sinasabi, ay ma'am, undecided pa po. Hala, kay sayang naman po yung pinaghirapan ninyong NCLEX, di ba? No? So it's very pricey. No, dugo at pawis yung pinuhunan niyo dyan. We know that kasi syempre yung iba, ma'am, hindi ako pumasa pero nag-take pa rin, no? And luckily pumasa na yung iba for the second time around. Pero sa mga nurses po natin, mga USRNs po natin, even our USRN aspiring USRNs, no, we encourage you, no, na kung decided na po kayo, of course, to join the program of Grandison, no, take this opportunity na po or grab this take this advantage na i-apply na rin, no? Kasi sayang yung opportunity. And also take advantage po of Granison's nursing offer now to work in the United States even without experience. Kasi baka mamaya yung iba ma-expire yung credential or might as well maging inactive po yung mga license po natin. Sayang, no? So take this opportunity po. Okay? And the longer you put off applying for your visa, the greater the delay in your family's journey to the US. So take the first step now towards your American dream. So what if, no, meron po kayong 16 years old na anak and then saka lang kayo mag-process ng application ninyo kapag na-lift na ang retrogression, baka naman mamaya hindi na siya makasama sa sa US, no, as your dependent. So dapat po umpisahan nyo na yung inyong American journey. Of course, here with Grandison. Okay? All right. Okay, so ayan, no. So actually po, nurses, here we are in our road to 200 na po. Sumalay natin kayo na, no, yung isa sa mga ilalagay natin sa ating slides na nakaalis na din papuntang Amerika. Okay? And here in Grandison, we are not just sponsoring you, we are also giving referral bonus for those mga nurses po na may ma-refer sa atin ng mga USR in friends. So if you knew someone na USRNs or even nagre-review pa lang, no, you can actually refer them to us and in return get a referral bonus up to $1,000 po. Just give us their names, their contact details, and their email address, and kami na po yung bahalang kukontak sa kanila. Okay, so the more you refer, of course, mas marami po yung referral bonus na matatanggap po ninyo. Okay?